Hello, Genius Hour crew. Welcome to the second to last full week of school. Who is pumped? I know I am. I am ready to kind of wrap this session up and move on to see what's happening in our future. That being said, I'm excited to see your projects at the end of this quarter. Actually, we're going to wrap things up on May 28th and 29th, and I'm going to talk about that today. So our agenda for the week, let's take a look at what we have going on. And then I'm also going to share what we have the last week together as well. So today, Monday, May 18th, we do have a quarter 4 project number 2 discussion board in Schoology that you need to take care of by 11:59 tonight. Tuesday through Friday this week are work days. Please make sure you are completing your daily creating log in OneNote. And then if I'm sending you any check-in emails, please remember to respond to them. I am keeping track of who is responding and who is not, so that I can have that information if we run into any issues at the end of the quarter. All right, Monday, May 25th, we are off. It's Memorial Day. Hopefully it's a beautiful day. We can be outside. Tuesday through Wednesday next week, May 26th through 27th. Those are your last work days for your quarter 4 project number 2 project. Okay? Thursday, May 28th, I do need you to share your quarter 4 projects with me, your project number 2 with me through email again. Please don't mess around with Schoology when you're sending me your projects. And then I will also have posted in Thursday's folder there a reflection discussion board that will be due on Friday, May 29th by 11:59. I'm posting it on Thursday, May 28th because the seniors are likely going to want to complete that and be done. If anybody else wants to complete it and be done with the projects that I'm posting throughout the day that day, you are more than welcome. Monday, June 1st through Tuesday, June 2nd is for any missing work, late work, projects that were incomplete. What else? Daily creating logs that might not be done, the discussion board that is posted. All of that work needs to wrap up by June 2nd. Okay, after that, you guys are going to be turning in your laptops, and we're really closing up shop. So please keep that in mind. Your Schoology calendar is also updated with these different due dates, so take into account when things are happening so that you can stay on track and be successful through the end of the school year. Some things to keep in mind. Seniors, I'm so excited for you. I know we're not ending how we thought we would be ending the school year, but you graduate on Friday, May 29th. Congratulations. What a crazy end to your high school career. I'm proud of all of you, and I'm excited for you to see what you do in the future. Please remember, seniors, all of your work should be submitted Thursday, May 28th, so that you can just return your laptops on Friday, May 29th, and be done. Woo! Everybody, please make sure that if I am sending you individual check-in emails that you respond. Again, I'm keeping track of these. I want to make sure that my communication is being communicated, and therefore you need to respond. Finally, make sure you are completing the daily creating log in OneNote each day. You do get, I think it's 20 points for that at the end of the quarter, so to help you just build that little buffer up. If you guys have any questions this week, feel free to email, respond to any check-in emails I send out to you individually, not our group ones, but individually, and have fun with your projects, you guys. Have a great second to last week. I'll see you soon.